In this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset your UBS password or user ID. So let's just get straight into the video. If you haven't already, make sure that you download and install the UBS application and click on sign in. Once you've done that, you're going to be welcomed by this page right over here. If you forgot your username, simply tap on forgot username, or if you forgot your password, simply tap on the password tab right over here. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is on this pop-up window that comes by, you need to simply go ahead and enter your details to verify yourself. So it will be asking you for your username. Also, it will ask you to either verify with an tax ID or SSN or your account number. And once you enter that, they'll send you a verification code to the phone number that is linked with that account. And once you've entered the code back into the application, they'll let you change your password, and it's the same for username as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.